Alright, here we go. DIY breaking out concrete on your own. 12-pound sledge. And I'm going to have a 3-foot pry bar later. And there I'm showing off that wire mesh that didn't cut it. That wall, obviously you can see it has broken over the years. 40 years old, probably more. But, I mean, that didn't do anything. So take that for what it's worth if you're thinking about reinforcing your concrete with a wire mesh instead of a rebar, 3/8 rebar or more. You have to. Otherwise, what's the point? It just breaks like that. I mean, literally just grabbed that and that just broke off. Anyways, so I'm swinging this hammer. I cleared off any of the little pieces of brick and stuff that was laying on top of there because I don't want to smash that because that will just, it kind of disintegrate and fly everywhere. I'm wearing safety glasses. Wear safety glasses. You could even wear something over your face. Stuff's going to fly around a little bit.
Yeah.
Swing the hammer. Your first swing should not be the hardest swing that you can possibly take because you got to test out how hard this stuff is. I've swung at a large boulder and had that thing bounce back, almost hit me back in the head, and that would have been a disaster. So you got to test out with some smaller swings. Now I'm taking a more powerful swing. I feel this stuff. I can hit this and it'll break. You're just trying to find the weak spot. Hit it with the full head, the whole face of that sledge. And it'll find the weak spot in the concrete and it'll crack it. And that's all you're going for. You just want it to crack. It'll crack all the way through. And then you grab your pry bar and pull apart the big chunks. So again, safety glasses, stuff's gonna go flying. People around you, watch them. Watch windows or anything close like that could shatter. Because things will go out of there fast, and they're rocks. So, again, you can just pry these around, break them, crack the concrete, pry them apart. Leave yourself big chunks to work. Don't just beat the heck out of this and have a bunch of tiny little things to pick up that are all over the place. Incidentally, there's the concrete slab in the foreground, looking real nice with that broom finish. You can see that in video number 1. And here, I'll just break this out. There's nothing to this. Get yourself a slash hammer and a crowbar. You don't need a jackhammer, especially for a small little project like this. If you're going into reinforced 6 inches, of course you need a jackhammer, but why the heck are you going to do that by hand anyways? You bring in a skid steer with a jackhammer attachment at that point. So any small projects in your backyard, this is all you need. Sledgehammer, crowbar, done. This is 3/4 inch rock in this concrete too, by the way. So, we're breaking some heavy duty stuff. And this is all riprap. I'm putting this on my lake shore just to fill in stuff that, ice will pull stuff away from your lake shore if you live on a lake. So, and just filling in gaps with this. Otherwise, you can take this to anybody that sells crushed concrete will take this for free. Just load it up and drop it off. No rebar.
How to break concrete.
And here we go, big chunks. Thanks for watching.